want to show you a little project that I did here that's very airy. These are just triple crochets. This is a carriage cover, and you can see that on you can see the shells that the piece is created out of, and then on the very end I used the shell I just showed you, and here's the right side, and you can see there's triple chain one, triple chain one, triple chain one, and so on 5 times, skip 2 and a single, and triple 5 times and a single, and so on. So shells are a lot of fun. So to finish something up, another project that you might have in mind, I'm going over here to pick up this piece that we just did the reverse single crochet on, and I'm going to cut this off, and I would like to show you how to make another lovely scarf idea. And let's start with a chain of 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I will now do a yarn over, and I will go into the 5th stitch from my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to do 1 double crochet and another double crochet and a chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. So this is a little different shell. Instead of 5 stitches, you have 2 doubles and a chain 1 and 2 more doubles. It's 5 stitches as well, but it looks different because it has the chain at the top. And the first 5 that I skipped actually stand for a double crochet. So now I'm going to skip 2 stitches and put a double crochet into the 3rd one. Now I'm going to skip 2 more and make another shell like I just did of 2 double crochets, a chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. The chain 1 creates a lovely little opening which we're going to incorporate in just a minute. Now skip 2 more and single crochet into the next one. And that gives you a lovely separation between the shells. So skip 2 more and another shell, double, double, chain 1, double, double. Now we skip 2 and we put a double crochet into the last stitch. Now chain 3, turn the page of your book. Now do a yarn over and go directly into the center of your shell below and put a shell into the top of this shell. So it's double, double, chain 1 and double and double. And this is very easy to follow because our next stitch is a double into the double. And remember, I told you in one of the previous lessons that sometimes I call double crochets legs, and that's perfectly all right. To me, they look like beautiful legs. And, okay, so I did a shell and a leg. Let's do another shell in the top of the shell below. Double and a double and a chain 1 and a double, and a double. Let's do another double crochet or leg in here, and now a shell into shell. And all you need to do is to focus on the row below, which tells you what our next stitch is. Now on the end, always a double crochet. Okay, now we chain 3 and turn, and here we go. You can see how the pattern is developing. So do your yarn over and go into the center of the shell below. We're going to complete this row, and then I'll show you a finished project. So this is called shell in shell. Now I'm going to put the leg into the leg. You don't have to count or anything. All you need to do is look at what is below. If there's a shell below, go to the center of the shell and put your shell right in there. Reach over to the leg and do your double crochet. One more. Double and a double, and the chain in the center. 2 more doubles. And the double on the end. And there you go. Makes a lovely little pattern. And I want to show you my little friend here. She's wearing the scarf that is made from the pattern that I just showed you. And then when you finish, on the very, very last row, I put a little picot, which I would like to show you as our last project of this segment. So she's very pretty in her yellow scarf with the picots, and I also made a hat to match.